And the first principle that we are going to study here is principle of continuity. Principle of continuity. So basically principle of continuity बहुत ही easy सा एक statement है. ये कहता है कि in case of steady flow, the total mass that is flowing in is equal to the total mass that is flowing out. ठीक है. Since liquid is incompressible और एक pipe है, तो pipe से एक side से जितना liquid enter करेगा दूसरे side से उतना ही liquid बाहर आएगा.
Right.
So if in a steady flow, the mass of liquid entering a cross section is equal to mass of liquid exiting another cross section of the pipe in same time. Like if we have a pipe, fine. So this is simple. If this has a cross section A1 and this has a cross section A2, so the amount entering at this point and the amount exiting at this point. So mass of liquid entering at this point will be like A1 cross section है. यहाँ पे velocity V1 है तो A1 into V1. So area into velocity. तो ये हो जाएगा volume per second into T. मतलब total volume entry.
Yes.
Into rho. At this point it will be A2 V2 T into rho. According to principle of continuity, A1 V1 T rho is equal to A2 V2 T rho. So T rho gets cancelled out.
Yes.
So I get A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. A1 area है, V1 velocity at
cross velocity मतलब volume आपके.
V2 V1 are velocity. आपने चलिए कैसे ये सोच लिया? Just a second. I'll be a bit slow here. देखिए, meter square is area. Velocity is meter per second.
Right. और आप टाइम डाले तो सेकंड भी कैंसिल हो गए तो मीटर क्यूब.
हाँ, into time second. तो ये हो जाएगा मीटर क्यूब into density kilogram meter cube.
Right.
Got it? So here A into V is constant for a pipe.
Okay.
A into V is called as volume flow rate. And we represent this by Q.
Right.
That is meter, its unit will be meter cube per second. So it's simply saying that volume flow rate remains constant in a pipe of variable cross section. Even in a constant cross section, it will remain constant. यदि मैं एक पाइप है, उसका एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन चेंज हो रहा है, so how will the velocity and area of cross section vary? What will be the graph? ये फिजिक्स में बहुत जगह पे आएगा, बहुत अलग-अलग चैप्टर्स में आएगा.
हाइपरबोला शायद.
Yes, rectangular hyperbola we call this. So physics में basically straight line. 99% of the question in physics, the graph will be either a straight line, parabola, circle, ellipse, and rectangular hyperbola. ठीक है?